Assalamualaikum. I'm Teacher Farah, and today we are going to learn about adverb of frequency year 5. What are adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency tell us how often we do something. Adverb of frequency includes always, sometimes, never, usually, often, and normally. When an action happens 0% of the time, we use never. When an action happens 50% of the time, we use sometimes. If the actions happen 70% of the time, we use often. And if the action happens 90% of the time, we use normally or usually. And if the action happens 100% of the time, we use always. Let us look at the rules. Adverb of frequency come, number 1, after the verb to be, and number 2, before other verbs. Let us look at the first rule. Adverb of frequency come after the verb to be. In this sentence, he is often late. We don't say he often is late. As you can see, the verb to be here is, and the adverb of frequency here is often. So, we put often after is. The correct sentence will be he is often late. In negative sentences, we put don't or doesn't before the adverbs of frequency. For example, I don't often watch TV. We don't say I often don't watch TV. As you can see, the verb of frequency for this sentence is often. So, we put often after don't. So, the sentence is, I don't often watch TV. We use never with an affirmative verb. For example, I never play football. We don't say, I don't never play football. Let us look at the example for each of the adverb of frequency. The first one is never. Never means not at all. It happens 0% of the time. For example, I never get up at 4:30 a.m. The next adverb of frequency is sometimes. It means occasionally rather than all the time. It shows an action happens 50% of the time. For example, they sometimes go to school by bus. Often means when the action happens many times. It happens 70% of the time. For example, Ben often washes the dishes. The next one, normally or usually, means something happens most often. It happens 90% of the time. For example, you are usually early. And the last one is always. It means something happens at all the time. It happens 100% of the time. For example, they always have dinner before 8 p.m. Okay, that's it for today. See you soon again. Bye!